Hey, all you folks out in YouTube land. You got Joel Ellison here with Pinnacle Mountain Gunsmithing. Powder's right beside me, but I don't know if she'll come into camera. But let me come at you with a proposition. What if, and so this is something I've had to deal with myself a little bit. What if you really want something kind of ridiculous to shoot at the range? Something kind of bougie. Kind of ridiculous, but you don't have Kunan or Automag kind of money. What do you do? Well, fortunately, I have a solution for you. This is a Girsan 1911 S10. This particular one is a 10mm 1911 with a 6-inch barrel. So yeah, kind of ridiculous. And it's Cerakote and Desert Tan. This particular one is touted as their hunter model. This would be an excellent choice if you're out hog hunting and want something in a nice hard-hitting caliber that it's not exactly concealable or practical. This is also a great choice if you want to bust bowling pins off of tables, like I do as a competitive shooter. But yeah, this is exactly what it says on the tin. It's a 1911, just basic, same mechanism as every other 1911 out there, but in 10mm and a long slide. This also has a nice railed section here at the front. With the extra inch of slide there. There are nice big serrations on the slide, front and rear. We got ambidextrous safety levers, nice and big and wide. Our grip safety has a memory notch, as you'd expect of all modern 1911s. It's actually decently well fit. The trigger on this particular one is a little heavy, but it's workable. It's about 7.5 pounds, which 1911 enthusiasts will go, what? I can do a 2-pound trigger in mine. Well, this hasn't been massaged by me or anyone else. There we go. But yeah, it comes with basic grips, which those are replaceable, of course. And we have nice, large, adjustable sights. The sight radius on this is rather large. It's 7.5 inches, or give or take a little. But yeah, it's end of the day, it's a 1911, but big. And with a 10mm auto cartridge, it really puts a lot of power down range. You can fit 8 rounds in a flush fit magazine, so 8+1 capacity. All the larger mags are available, of course. It of course breaks down just about like every other 1911 out there. We have a bushing up here at the front. I'll show you that process. Put the safety on. Of course, make sure the pistol is clear. Visually and tactily confirm that yes, the pistol is clear. And we'll put the safety on. That locks the slide. And tilt our camera down here a little bit. But I'm just going to depress the plunger here at the front and rotate our bushing to the side. Make sure that our spring plug doesn't go anywhere. This in particular, it's a little disconcerting when I see something nice with a big long slide like this. I wonder about the spring plug. Well, it's just solid for that last inch or so. And it's just a standard 1911 recoil spring. But in any case, we can, once we have no tension on the slide, we can bring her back to the disassembly notch. Right. We're looking for that notch right there to go to about right here. Yeah, that's about the only way I can show it. I can push from that side. It's a lot harder to do when it's facing away from you and on camera. And then the slide comes off the front like normal. Boom. We have a linked barrel a standard GI length guide rod. This one's hollowed out. Not all of them are, some of them aren't. In order to finish taking down the slide, we rotate that bushing 90 degrees, flip our locking link forward, and the barrel comes out the front. Now you will notice this is a ramped barrel in that the feed ramp is part of the barrel. That sounds pretty normal for most pistols nowadays, but when the 1911 was created, it had a feed ramp that was integrally part of the frame, which is often polished and massaged to within an inch of its life on modern iterations, but yeah, it's if you take a look at the frame, it's totally standard 1911 with a rail, and that in a we got a little bit of checkering down here at the front strap, as well as on the mainspring housing. This is pretty standard, pretty typical stuff. The magazines are, of course, have that groove stamped into them on both sides so that it handles the smaller 10mm cartridge. Because 10mm is, of course, a little smaller than 45, but the frame is pretty much exactly the same. But yeah, this particular pistol is available with a nice hard-sided case, nice foam lining, manual, everything like that, and it can be yours for a quite reasonable price. This comes in well under some of the more bougie guns out there. It's actually quite impressive when it shoots. But yeah, this particular gun will be available at the upcoming Greenville Gun Show in Greenville, South Carolina at the Convention Center, December 21st and 22nd. If you're in town, come by, you can say hi, you can buy a gun, you can buy some merch. But yeah, we'll be available to take care of any of your questions. Be sure to do all the good YouTube things, like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to support us more directly, go to our website, pinnaclemountaingunsmithing.com. That's pinnaclemountaingunsmithing.com, all one word. And feel free to set up an appointment. You can email us or call us. In any case, this has been Joel Ellison with Pinnacle Mountain Gunsmithing, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.